I'm just trying to drive my truck down the road, my new Silverado. As you can see the front tire. We got shrapnel. I heard a whole bunch of shit flying out. I mean, I heard shit flying out like 2 hours ago.
Like a piece there, a piece over here. Pieces everywhere. Like this.
Oh, holy!
They're
holy!
Dude, my head was sizzling.
Look at the fucking marks it left on my fingers.
Yeah.
Holy shit! Wow.
I don't know how I didn't just like burn through my head with it.
Sakes. Yeah, the thing's just smoldering away. Probably not good. Man. I'm gonna have to get my Silverado towed, dude. All the wheel bearings just right out of it. The wheel's gonna fly off. Holy, I gotta call CAA. Well, maybe what I should do is Tiffany to come and get us and go get the truck and trailer.
Yeah.
Oh well, what do you know about them apples? What do you know about them apples, boys? She's a little bit grindy. A couple of them are almost round still, but this one's still good. Good Lord. Those ones are the good ones. These ones are not so good. So I probably decked my brakes too. So that's cool, but that happened really fast. Like, I mean, within like 20 minutes of driving, I felt, you know, what it was the bearing out and hitting the floor of the car, and I thought, oh, what the fuck was that? Driving along, and then it started sounding all grindy, and then I would turn and it would grind and all this shit. And then next thing you know, totally dicked. So that's awesome, but well, looks like we're gonna be having to pick up the Chevy Nodus in the Dodge. Maybe you never thought about them apples. Maybe before all you're lipping off. But how awesome are the Silverado is? Maybe it's not so awesome after all, is it, boys? Oh, but we got the new son of a bitch there, $228. Are you serious? Have you lost your mind? Should replace the unit bearings with lock and hub McSiggerters like on my Dodge. That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? But I gotta go get the son of a bitch first, and I gotta piss too, holy shit. Good thing I didn't start hauling this one apart already. I need it to tow my Silverados around. Oh, yeah. Bruce Wallstein.
Say fuck that. Driver fucking put somebody down. Fucking yeah, okay. I remember the trucks up being out front now. Yeah.
Oh, we parked it right by the good one.
Yeah.
Well, boys, hope you're happy. Happy,
Oh,
boys.
look at that fucking tire.
Yeah, just a Kemp-Wimpus, my new good tire. Idiots. Hope you're friggin' happy, boys. Hope you're friggin' happy. This guy here left a note saying we could park in the driveway if we need to get our truck off the road. So that was classy. Classy fellow there. Look at his old truck. GMC, that's what happens. Hey, that's what happens. The fucking wheelbarrow flies out of the car. You know, that's pretty deck tire. Picking up a Chevy with a wheelbarrow flying out of it. In a Dodge.
In a Dodge.
And I was dodging wheelbarrows out of the Dodge though. sakes. Friggin' man. Probably beg to differ now, don't you? Oh, what do you think of the new Rimberlinis, boys? Somebody's got to come up with a way to get rid of the tire pressure something sensor thing on the dash, because these rims don't got that kind of it. And then to rip this off and start tearing it apart, get the wheel bearing off there, I guess. It'll even come off if you're happy. I don't think you're supposed to be able to take this piece out, are you? Like that piece? I don't think it's supposed to come out that way. So that's good. And look at this. The back of the rotor. It's got a big groove into it. So that's awesome. That's it. So we pulled over just in the lickety splips of time before he just caused extreme damage. Terrible, but like these bolts here won't even come out for the brick out. So thought you said it was done, boys. Idiot. Another reason why you should never buy a Silverado is they put these things on the brakes. So after torching the friggin' thing, I got the article off. Look what I've done. I've caused damage. All type of the oils and the greases. Look at all type of the oils and the greases back here, boys. Oh look, there's another one. They're shitting out like Easter eggs. I got another one. Some of these were rolling really nice. Like that one you can tell is rolling really nice. This one you can tell is rolling really nice. You know? But that one's like mint. How'd that happen? I'm gonna message Buddy who tuned my truck and tell him that this stuff came out of the engine and I want my money back for the tune. Hey? Oh, that'll be awesome. I'm hilarious. Well, the son of a bitch is off there. I don't even know if I showed you just how good there. That's why the, oh, there we go. That's why the ABS sensor come on. Hey, look at that. Are you serious right now? What is really going on? She all of a sudden just let go, boys. It wasn't going much further, that's for sure. I mean, the only thing holding it on was the brake caliper mount. That's good. But we got a rusty R-skull, and I thought, well, we'll see if they got one in the morning. If not, we'll just chuck it together because it's Friday, and of course it's after hours Friday. So we're dicked. So yeah, we'll just see if we can get a new one tomorrow. If not, we'll chuck it together without it. It's a box, and then we'll smoke cigarettes. But isn't the new one fancy, boys? That's for fucking $1,100. Hope you're happy. Well, there she is, boys. Done and done. Got the new wheel bearing onto it. StabiliTrak lights are all on now, and a whole bunch of horse shit. So that's freaking awesome. But I had to get it done quick to get it out of the freaking works because we got different things going on. Crawdad's on the pod again. What happened? What? What do you mean? Got Elon Musk's brother in front of us. Occupy Mars. I don't know if you can make it out or not. OQPY Mars. I apologize. But yeah, truck's working mint. Engine light's out now. Just got the tire light, but I don't have sensors in my tires, so that's just going to be the way that is. Yeah, freaking goes like steak, boys. Got her all fixed up. Probably be visiting the other wheelbarrow here shortly, but